Now I'm gonna go into Instagram and take out the person that you want to edit. So I'm gonna use her, and I'm going to screenshot every picture I want to use. And once you do that, I'm gonna go ahead into PixArt, then click that little black background thingy, and then you're gonna add the photos. And they only go up to 10, so I'm gonna use 10 pictures at a time. Make sure y'all go follow her and like all her pictures too, and show some loves. And don't forget to add my other Instagram. I'm gonna show up in the screen. Also, that's my edit page. So now I'm just gonna place all my pictures and zoom it big, make it everywhere I want before I cut out stuff like that. And sorry if I'm doing a lot of talking. It's fun doing some voiceover, but I'm sorry, y'all. She is mad pretty, she's really, really pretty, damn, mama. Then now I'm gonna click person, and just gonna cut out only the person and leave the background aside. And I'm gonna erase the rest stuff I don't need. And you wanna go ahead and do that to all your pictures, cause that's how it's gonna be. See? And then there. So you have to do the same thing for all of them. Same process. Click person, and then it will do all of that work. But you can do your own. You can outline your own. But I thought this way was easier and faster. And it don't gotta be a perfect erasing. It just have to be at least her body is enough way. And also comment down below more video I should do. Should I make more edits or a little, videos? And sorry if my phone is going a little bit slow. I don't know what's wrong with my other phone, but yeah. Comment down if you guys want me to show you how to do this on an Android, because I'm using an iPhone iOS device. So if you guys want me to use an Android device, just comment down if you have an Android device. I want to make it very easy and helpful and fair enough for everybody to do. Because a lot of stuff people be using on iPhone, and you have trouble in buying iPhone. I'm gonna make a helpful video for y'all. Just that video will come on soon, and I have to find some Android device I can use. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna do that video for everybody. So stay tuned for that, baby girls or baby boys. I really want to learn how to do makeup. How makeup be coming out bomb. God dang, mama. Yeah, just right now I'm just moving it which way is cute, but how just move it and make everything fit in. That's what the most important thing you need to know. And for me, the first time I learned how to do this, it was hard. And shout out to Manzero. If you're watching, shout out to you for helping me how to make these. Shout out to her. She is the one who helped me how to do this. And also y'all don't forget to subscribe to her YouTube channel and like up all her videos and watch it because it's my fun. But shout out to her for helping me out. Also, her YouTube channel link will be in my description. It'll be first link for y'all can go check it out. And I decided to add more photos because I needed more photos because it was like too much black stuff, and you don't want to be a lot of black stuff. You want to like cover everything as possible, like, yeah. And also, y'all comment down below, how was your day? How was all of it? How y'all doing? Damn, my edit be coming out fire. Like, look at that, y'all. Tell me, ain't that bad? I wanted to use this, but I don't know where I should put it, so I thought I'm gonna take this thing out. It was very cute, but I was trying to make room for it, but it could not work out. Like, y'all can literally see I'm trying to like make some room, but it cannot work. And don't mind the background because in this neighborhood there's too much motorcycles and everything background, and it's really annoying. Like, and I'm sorry, y'all, if there's too much noise in the background. I'm really sorry. I tried all places, but it's all the same, and this one was more quieter. So I'm sorry, y'all. And I'm just gonna move everything up and make it a little bit big, make sure like all of it. Like, I'm so dead. Like, I'm literally, ooh, I think I found it. Y'all. Bam! Also, hit that subscribe button, y'all. Boom! Look at that baby girl. Like, god dang. Tell me ain't that good, sis. Like, look at that. Y'all good at that. Period. And I'm done with it. And y'all notice I added the editshare effects, and I screenshot it, and then I cropped it, and then I came back to picture, and now I'm gonna click noise effects. That's where the little grain come on my photo. If you check out my Instagram, then you know what I'm talking about. And once you do that, you want to apply it, save it to camera roll, then go on to font tool, click that little thing in the middle at the bottom, photo albums. Take the picture that you save from Pixar. Done. Then you want to add the text, and if you want, you have to download this font. You can use any font, but this is the font I use. If you have with accent, you can go to safari.font.com and then enter the name I use, and I'm gonna put that on the screen right, so y'all can see. And what there is just gonna put it at, I like to put my watermark at the bottom. Yeah. Save it, and you can post it on Instagram, Snapchat, anywhere, and I'm gonna go ahead and right now and post this to Instagram and make sure y'all like that shit.